Hi everybody, it's Joni Young here. Welcome back to my channel for another video. Today is day 28 of our month-long painting challenge where I'm bringing a brand new video for you guys every single day, all August long. So 13 videos in total. They're all here on my channel. I'll have them in a playlist in order for you. I hope you guys are enjoying these, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to paint a stone archway with a few pink flowers. Dramatic lighting, and there's so much to learn in this one video, so let's jump in and get started. For this painting today, I'm working on a 9x12 canvas. I have the following colors: titanium white, lemon yellow, crimson red, sap green, and Mars black. The brushes I'm using today are a 1-inch mop brush, a 14 Filbert brush, and a 3 round brush. I'll have links below and a full list of everything I'm using in the description box of this video as well. Okay, we're going to start the painting by adding a little bit of water to the middle of the canvas where our source of light is going to be coming from. I'm going to start with a little bit of white and a little bit of yellow. So we're just going to add some yellow in this middle area here. And then we're going to start coming in with a little bit of green. And we're just going to start framing around the shape of our archway. We're going to rinse our brush out, and we're going to go straight into using our mop brush. It's dry and clean, and I'm going to take a little bit of the sap green and just tap into it, and we're going to just start going over that green shape. And adding some leaves and vines, bushes, trees. Then we're just going to take our brush and just lightly fluff up a little bit. And I'm going to come in with a little bit of black and green again, but adding black this time. And we're going to add some shadows around the outside of that green and partially over that green. Okay, and then we're going to just start to sweep our brush, the rest of the water, or the rest of the paint, out onto that canvas. I was just going to say we're going to actually use just a little bit of water here just to help release that paint out. Okay, we're going to rinse our brushes out now. Okay, now the next step, we're going to take our Filbert brush and we're going to take black, and we're going to come around the outer edges of the painting and that archway. Just start to block it in. Okay, and then we're just going to make these little loops for a stone path. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. They're just like little flat oval shapes. Okay, then I'm going to take a little bit of white and a little bit of green in with that black. So white, green, and black. And we're going to come right here you want to leave about an inch between the black and this line. Then we're going to take some more black and we're going to go and fill that in. A little bit of white in with it for this side. And more black right in here. We're going to dry this off and then come in with our stones. Okay, so now we're going to come in with our Filbert brush. We're going to take some black and white and we're going to start in the middle here, leaving a space from here to here. And we're just going to start with a simple shape like this, but it's going to be a little bit narrower. So we'll just make this a little bit wider. And that's going to be our starting area. Let's just take a little bit more white and just really lightly go over that. Okay, we'll take a little bit more of the original gray shade and we're going to add another one here, leaving a space in between. And we'll add another one. And so on and so on. And there's going to be a little bit extra light on this side. So as I'm coming around here, going inside the wall of this archway and adding lines on an angle, slightly diagonal here, okay? And then it starts to get darker and darker and darker here. Just using the bottom belly of the brush to gently pull on that white paint to give it that textured look. Gradually adding a little bit more light here. And I'm going to pick up a little bit more of the black to make the gray. And we're going to add diagonal lines here. And then it gets darker and darker there. Now we're going to do the same thing to the rocks. We're going to go over them. Just really dry brushing that paint on. Go back in to the black and I'm going to cut down and around in front of these rocks to give them another edge and side and shadows. Just going over those existing lines, adding a little bit more black. I'm going to have just a little line that comes in here, here, here for those blocks. Okay, now we can start coming in with some green moss and leaves around the edges. Let's take our green and our mop brush, tap into load. Almost come around the sides here. And have some growing in and around these rocks. It's an ancient stone archway, maybe from some old ruin like a castle, and there's ivy and all kinds of old vines growing around it. Okay, then we're going to take a little bit of white and a little bit of yellow, and we're going to tap lightly in here for some light. A little bit of green in with the yellow just to work our way up to a brighter green, but gradually and start to add a little bit of light in here, partially tapping over that green that we already have. And we'll have a little bit more light coming in from this top part here. Okay, I'm going to rinse my brush out. And I'm going to use my round brush with white and green. I'm just going to push, tap in for some little leaves. I don't know what they are. Doesn't matter. I want to have different shades of green going on, so that's why I'm only using the white and the green for this area here. And then the warmer shades with the yellow everywhere else. We're just going to add a little bit of a extra green glow. This archway here. And just a little bit of green and black. Right in here for some that are more in shadow. And let's start adding a few little pink flowers, just with the round brush, a little bit of red, a little bit of white. Just add a few little dabs. This reminds me of our stone path that we painted this month earlier. Maybe this is where that path leads. Add a little bit more red. Just a little bit of green in here for a few more little leaves. The last little bit of green, just a few little leaves. Maybe there's some little clovers in here. Okay, this is the last step, I promise. A little bit of yellow and white. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed learning how to paint this old stone archway with little pink flowers. And I'll see you guys all tomorrow for day 29 of our painting challenge. Bye!